CapCut recently launched AI agent named Dreamina Octo alongside Dreamina Seedance 2.0. In Dreamina Octo, the point was never about getting things done. It's the creative flow between you and what you're making. I will give the link in description. Click and come to this website. This is Dreamina homepage. First, you will log in with your Google account, and then you will see this dashboard. You can now use Dreamina AI agent to make everything automated with Dreamina Octo. Click on it, and you will come to this page. This is a sample project workflow with AI agent of Dreamina. Here, everything is automated. You will just write your requirements, and agent will do everything you need. From story script, characters developments, environment design, object from any style reference. Then it will able to generate entire story images at a time, and then make all story images into video by using Seedance 2.0 model. That means the results will be outstanding. Stay connected, I will show you everything in details. This entire workflow automatically made by AI agent. You don't need to do anything without write your requirements in chat. It will generate all video clips duration as much as it should be. Every single generation is outstanding without glitch or anything unwanted with 100% characters consistency. So you can now make long videos with Dreamina Octo with a single command. You will see a chat button at right top side. Click on it to start typing your requirements. You will just type what you need, and Dreamina AI agent will take care of rest. You don't need to write scripts, develop stories and characters, or even you don't need to generate story images one after one, and don't need to generate those images into video clips. Actually, you don't need to even video editing. Full workflow of all process is automated with this insane AI agent. See this final result of the workflow I have just showed you. See this 5-minute plus final video result of the workflow I have just showed you. This is insanely awesome. Stay connected, I will show you how to use Dreamina Octo for free at the end of this video. See, every characters are consistent and sequential. Entire plots and environments, video style, everything is implemented in the same way. So you can now create entire story video, or even filmmaking is now possible with this AI agent. You will write your requirements in chat agent, and AI will make final video clips. You will just add those video clips into this timeline, and your final video will be ready to export. Click on export to download the video. But the problem is this is for only paid subscribers. So I am showing you how can you get early access to use it. You will come to dashboard or the link I provide you in comment box, and then come little below and find this banner of Dreamina Creative Partner Program 2.0. Click on it and you will come to this page. This is Dreamina Creative Partner Program 2.0 page to get the standard membership plan free, valued at $42 per MO and 10,000 extra monthly credits, as well as new feature early access before public launch. Click and come here to use Dreamina Octo. Fill the full form and Dreamina CapCut team will reply you soon. If you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. And if you find my video helpful, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.